gigantic machines are gradually replacing human labor. And this is the true power they possess. Have you ever seen a machine like this before? It's a specialized hedge trimming machine, powered by a hydraulic system producing over 100 HP and equipped with a cutting bar nearly 10 feet long. It can clear through thick layers of branches in just minutes along roadways stretching hundreds of meters. Watch how this machine clears dense vegetation. It's simply a tractor equipped with a powerful saw attachment designed to cut down high branches. Just look at those razor-sharp blades moving with incredible flexibility and working surprisingly efficiently. The forestry harvester is a machine that has saved an incredible amount of human labor. Weighing over 20 tons, it is equipped with a hydraulic cutting head capable of gripping, sawing, and processing tree trunks nearly 30 inches in diameter within seconds. Its long mechanical arm constantly swings the high-speed saw into position, cutting down trees before automatically stripping branches and cutting the logs into sections on the spot. Comment 1 if you think this machine could take down an entire forest in just minutes. Absolutely aggressive, challenging the limits of nature itself. Equipped with crawler tracks, the bulldozer climbs steep slopes like a beast at work, pushing massive amounts of soil down the hillside. Huge rocks keep rolling down the cliffside, creating an incredibly dangerous scene. Wow, wow, the vehicle is still moving while its front end lifts into the air. Just look behind the machine, it's dragging several massive and extremely long logs down the mountain. If the road were smooth, it would be easy. But this path is wet, muddy, and dangerously slippery. Watching this machine transport timber feels even more intense than a Hollywood movie. The 150-ton machine violently sways from side to side because of the brutal, muddy terrain. And on top of that, it still has to keep loading logs onto the trailer while moving forward. Why hesitate? Subscribe now to witness even more extreme machine operations and unbelievable situations. After overcoming countless obstacles, the timber has finally reached the collection site. The forestry forwarder can transport more than 15 tons of logs in a single trip, using its 8-wheel drive system and a hydraulic crane nearly 10 meters long. It grips and stacks massive tree trunks into neat rows with impressive precision. The thick snow almost buried both of these machines completely. A truck fully loaded with timber was trying to make its way out of the forest, but the massive weight caused it to become trapped in the snow. After a long wait, rescue finally arrived as the forestry track tractor secured a heavy towing cable to the front of the stranded vehicle.
Пошла. Ну все, достали.
These driving skills are absolutely next level. Transporting timber on a road this slippery almost seems impossible. But for this experienced driver, it's a different story. The truck is carefully maneuvered through every dangerous stretch of the road with incredible precision. Smoke keeps blasting from the exhaust in pure desperation. Give this machine some extra power by commenting 1, everyone. At this stage, the danger finally seems a little lower. The high-capacity wood grinder is shredding smaller branches to clear the area and help restore the natural forest. Large piles of branches are fed into the chamber by support machinery, making the grinding process much easier and more efficient. If you've ever wondered how massive trees and parks are removed, then check this out. The fallen trees are processed right on the spot using this compact wood grinder. The machine quickly shreds the tree trunks, making cleanup fast and efficient. The sound of crushing echoes throughout the forest. The Morbark 40 is equipped with a 500-plus HP engine and a high-capacity grinding system. It can crush tree trunks over 30 inches in diameter within seconds amid thick layers of wood debris and dust. Its high-speed steel blades tear through each log before blasting wood chips outward with tremendous force. I'm sure this wood cutting process already looks pretty familiar to you, right? Massive logs are fed into the sawmill machine where high-speed blades slice through them with incredible smoothness. Each log is always held firmly in place on the cutting platform for maximum stability and precision. Don't forget to follow the channel to witness how these gigantic machines take down massive tree trunks.